Did you know there's a creature that can technically live forever? Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. Unlike other creatures that age and die, this jellyfish has a superpower. It can reverse its aging process and start life all over again. When it's stressed or injured, it transforms its old cells back into young ones, essentially resetting its life cycle. Scientists are fascinated by it, and some even believe it could hold the key to reversing aging in humans. So what do you think? Could immortality become real one day? Let me know in the comments.